It's June already, time sure flew. The sun is warm, the sky is blue.
School's wrapping up, the fun's begun. Let's jump into June and chase the sun.
The classroom doors swing open wide. It's time to play and run outside. We laugh, we cheer, the summer's near, and everywhere the sky is clear.
We dance through sprinklers, ride our bikes, go on hikes or fly our kites. We pack up books and end the year, then wave our teachers thanks. So dear, jumping into June with sunshine in our eyes, barefoot toes and bright blue skies. From learning days to summer's tune, let's celebrate. We're jumping into June.
We splash in pools and filled with sand, hold
Lemonade cups in our hand.
we read outside, we chase the breeze, we picnic under shady trees.
June brings hugs for all we've done. Another school year full of fun. We dream, explore, and start anew with sunny hearts and skies so blue. Jumping into June with sunshine in our eyes, barefoot toes and bright blue skies. From learning days to summer's tune, let's celebrate. We're jumping into June.
We've learned and laughed the whole year through. Now summer gives us time to do
More wonder, joy, and dreams that grow. With every flower, June will show. Jumping into June, let's laugh and play, singing goodbye to school today.
The sun is bright, adventures bloom.
It's time for fun, it's time for June. Whoa, jumping into June, jumping into June. Whoa, jumping into June, jumping into June. Whoa, jumping into June, jumping into June. Whoa, we're jumping into June.